Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Scarpa Rush 2 Mid GTX hiking boots. These Italian-made boots have been making waves in the hiking community for their blend of style, comfort, and performance. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and build of the Scarpa Rush 2 Mid GTX. These boots are designed to be lightweight yet durable, perfect for long hikes and challenging terrains. The upper is lined with Gore-Tex, providing excellent waterproofing without compromising breathability. This is crucial for those wet and muddy trails. One of the standout features of these boots is their comfort. The midsole is made from a dual-density EVA foam, offering a good balance of cushioning and support. They feel almost like a pair of trail running shoes but with the ankle support and stability of hiking boots. During my tests, they felt snug yet not overly tight, and after a short break-in period, they molded nicely to my feet. I took these boots through their paces across various terrains. From rocky trails to muddy paths, even dipping them in water to test their waterproofing. I was impressed by their grip on wet surfaces, thanks to the Presa foam outsole combined with supergum rubber. The tread pattern provides solid traction and there's even a specific design for stability when going uphill or downhill. Scarpa is known for making durable outdoor gear, and these boots are no exception. The materials feel robust, and after several hikes totaling over 35 miles, they still look and perform like new. The reinforced toe area and ankle support add to their longevity, making them a good investment for serious hikers. So, should you buy the Scarpa Rush 2 Mid GTX hiking boots? If you're someone who loves hiking and wants a versatile pair of boots that excel in comfort, performance, and style, then absolutely yes. They're great for various outdoor activities and built to last through rugged conditions. Just be prepared to invest some time in breaking them in. That wraps up our review of the Scarpa Rush 2 Mid GTX hiking boots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Have you tried these boots yourself? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.